Welcome back, guys, and let's start with the texturing process. So, for texturing process, very first thing we need to do is to add a layer which is on bottom. Okay, so basically, what I mean is the barrel is made up of steel. Okay, so we'll need to put if it is made of steel and it's painted on steel, two paint colors. One is orange, one is blue. Okay, so basically we have to work according to the real world and logically. So the very first material which we will be adding is steel. Okay, so there is this steel rough material. You just have to click on it, hold it, and place it on top of this. You don't need this layer one, you can simply delete it. Okay, so we have successfully applied steel material over this. To move this light like I'm doing, all you have to do is hold on shift, right mouse button, and you just have to drag left and right, the light will rotate. Okay, but before that I always forget one thing. Let me enable this key whiz. Okay, so is it working? Yes. So you can see here, if I hold shift and click on right mouse button and move my mouse left to right, you have to keep holding on left mouse button, right mouse button. Okay, just move your mouse. It usually helps us to see the reflections and all. So we are going to change this HDRI. So what we are going to do is click on display settings, and here you see environment map, and you can see panorama. Okay, we are going to select one of my favorites, which is where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I think this one. No, not this one. So you can see drastic changes if I change the HDRI, right? And because it has light information in this image file. It will project the dark areas as light, and light areas as light, and dark areas it will not project any shadows. It will give you reflections also. So I think I forgot which one I use. Not this one. This is, I think it's this one. Yes. No. Is it this one? I think I have deleted it from here. Soft white. Okay, I think it's this one only. We don't want any color information while we are texturing. Like this one has green color in it, so it will give out green color. So we don't want any light information while we are texturing. We want only white light. Okay, so you can use this, which doesn't have any color information. It's basically only white. I'll provide you with this. What do you say? I'll provide you with this HDRI, or else if you want to download your own HDRIs, you can go to website called HDRI Haven. Okay, here you will be able to find any HDRIs of your choice, and you can download it for free. So HDRIs, browse HDRIs. So you can go under Studio. There are 34 HDRIs under Studio. You can download any of your choice. Make sure you download HDRIs without any color information. Like this one has color information. It will give this yellow reflection, this beige reflection. You can download these kind of HDRIs. Avoid downloading these ones. Okay, you can always download this one. You can I'll show you how to plug it in Substance Painter. So you can simply download 2K. We need 4K, so 21 MB. Let's download it. So you can go find it on your downloads folder. Let's cut this and paste this under the oil barrel. textures, source textures. I've created one folder called source textures where we will be sourcing all our textures. You'll be able to find it here. So to use it in Substance Painter, all you have to do is click on this, and sorry, not click on this. You'll have to drag it here. Once you drag it, it will ask you what it is. It is, you can just go on this undefined button and click on environment, and you can keep it if you want to have it in your library forever. It will, if you want to have it in your library whenever you want, whenever you open Substance Painter, you can just click on library, or else if you want it for the specific project only, click on this project and import it. Now you can see its name, the Studio Small 01 4K. So you can see here its name is Studio Small 01 4K. You can go under this display settings and you'll be able to find it here, Studio Small 01. Once you click it, it will start giving its effect. Okay, looks like it is giving out very hard effects. So environment exposure, let's decrease it. Let's keep it on 1. Let's keep it at 30. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing this. Let's enable shadows. Let's disable it. So we have successfully, I've shown you how to import an HDRI, but I feel like I don't want to use this. I'm going back to what I was using previously, this one. So let's get started with texturing right now. The very first paint color which we'll be using is orange. To add orange color, all you have to do is click on this add fill layer. You see it here. Let's delete this one. So steel rough is going always to it's always going to be on bottom. So let's increase its styling to 1.3. Okay. So and let's increase its roughness. Let's keep it at 0.65, 0.55. Okay. And its color, let's bring it down to a little darker color. Okay, and now let's add orange color, and I'll show you how to add orange color. Let's bring this here, and you can source colors from your reference images in Substance Painter. Let's keep this here. I'll show you how I did it. So here you can see this color, right? You can source it. So let's disable all the channels and enable only color channel. So if you want to do that only in short, all you have to do is click on, hold alt and click on color. All other channels will get disabled. Okay. So we just currently we just need color. So let's click on this eyedrop button over here and let's bring it over here. Okay, and find out from where you want to source the color. Let's click on here. It's not very dark, not very bright. Let's click on here. It will have orange color on it. So now you see it is giving out a little metallic feel, right? So what we are going to do is enable metal, and once you enable the metal channel, it will stop giving metallic feel. So now let's enable this roughness channel, and uh, let's keep the roughness around 2.3 or 0.25. Okay, now we want the color only, orange color only in this between, in this part. Okay, so what we are going to do is, let's name this or orange paint, and let's add one more layer, and we are going to name it blue paint. Or else what you can do is delete this channel, duplicate this channel over here. You can just delete this blue layer which we created and select this orange paint layer. Click on Control plus D. It will duplicate. All you have to do now is you have to source blue color from somewhere. Let's source it from here. Let's not source it here, it's very desaturated. Let's click on wherever it is saturated. Now we have orange paint. All you have to do is now rename the layer name BLUEPAINT, blue paint. Now we want blue paint to display only on this part and this part. So what we are going to do is create a black mask. So right click on the layer, click on add black mask. Blue paint will be disabled. Now you can press 4 to enable this polygon fill and just click on this UV chunk fill. Okay, click on this, make sure this color is on white and click on this and this. Okay, and let's do the same. Let's keep the orange paint only where we want, and we'll need the blue paint here also. And let's do the same here, add black mask, and let's click on just this middle part. Now we have, and press 1 to enable brush mode, and now you can see we have this color on the barrel. Okay, so let's end this chapter here. So in this chapter we created one steel material, applied steel material and painted the entire barrel. Okay, but before ending the chapter we need to enable this anti-temporal. Okay, sampling. So let's save, go to file, save as, and go wherever you want to save it. I'll save it under assets. I'll save it barrel underscore tut. Save. So let's end this chapter here, and always remember you have live sessions with me, so you can clear any doubts you have in the live sessions, or you can I'll share my WhatsApp number. You can ask for the doubts on WhatsApp before the live sessions. I'll try to clear your doubts, and let's end this chapter over here. I'll see you in the next chapter.